Once again, thank you so much for being here, supporting me, showing the good energy every time, and just pushing me to go and take better and better pictures every time. So yeah, I appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you.
Okay, this is it. 17 days until my exhibition, and I came up with the idea to document that process. Here we are in Upper Kanaskis Lake today, taking some pictures. It's the time to escape, spend some time in the nature, slow down, and this is what that exhibition is about Reconnect, about healing power of nature. Let's see the next 17 days. I'm excited. This is it. This is the moment of truth. We are in Marriott Downtown Hotel, and today we're installing the first print for the exhibition. So it's gonna be 5 main one and 4 smaller printed on the paper. For the 5 bigger one, we compose the music, the sound effect, and also there's gonna be smell related to the picture. So I hope it's gonna be more powerful and will leave bigger impact, motivate them to leave work, office, home, take your family, friends, and just go spend time in the nature. "14 days until the exhibition, and today's plan is to cut wood for the frames. I decided to start making my own wooden frames to add a unique personal touch to my work. My buddy Andrew and we handle the process together. For the exhibition, we are making 5 frames, and since this is such an important part of my work, I thought I will share a little behind the scene with you. I would like to say thank you to my friend Tomek for letting us use his space today. Thanks, Tom. It is 13 days to the exhibition, and we are at the Central Library today because I will be hosting my next exhibition here in the summer of 2025. I also had a mini exhibition here in the previous summer, but the next one I organize is going to be bigger. It's also going to be immersive exhibition. You will have to come to Calgary and check it out yourself in the summer of 2025. What a guy. Yeah, that we call this tripod. Because I have the 3 legs. Yeah. Oh, you know how to use it.
Yeah, my ex, she used to call me that. I don't know why.
Since you've been gone, hold on, I can't stand being alone. I can't stand being alone.
"10 days to the exhibition, and I thought now is the moment to actually escape. I feel way more relaxed now. Life is very fast right now, and we need those moments when we need a time where we can disconnect from the other world and just be with ourselves or with the friend. I'm glad we found the time to escape and to spend that time here because I feel way better, and I feel motivated, inspired to go and work on the project and make this exhibition something special.
Since you've been gone, hold on, I can't stand being alone.
4 days until the exhibition, and the past few days have been all about promoting it. We visited Identity Inc., one of my sponsors, to print 5 beautiful canvases. Seeing a large-scale printing, it was very fascinating. After that, we took the canvases to my friend Colin from Pix Imaging. It was first time when I had a chance to see them in real, and first time when I print this big size. We also visited JB Digital, where my friend Jerry helped print other 4 images on paper. For me, fine art printing especially needs to be high quality, and because of Jerry I can achieve this quality. I really like the light there. The days have been flying by lately, so it felt like it's a good moment to gather some friends and escape to nature. I was working on some new techniques, practicing my composition skills. We came back to Calgary around 2 p.m. and I asked guys if they are able to help me install those canvases today. I decided to swap out one of the print, the acrylic one actually, to canvas. Acrylic was really nice, but was giving me the glare that was very destructive. And I want people to actually think in the moment and feel present. That's why I use iPhone. Probably you can set it
Well,
up.
I was touching it. It should have
Oh,
been.
you were touching.
Oh no, that was the wrong one.
Okay.
Keep your hands to
Yeah,
yourself.
no, I'm not touching anything. No touch.
Oh, shit.
No touch. The exhibition starts in 2 days and everything is coming together nicely. Today I invited my friend Amy to help me prepare one of the props representing mental clutter. Viewers will be invited to physically leave the clutter to reveal the image behind it. If people can appreciate the moment I captured through my lens, I'm sure they will love experiencing that place in person.
Don't you see the clouds coming down? With me on my feet now. Throw me by the window. I traveled in the sunshine. Don't you see the clouds coming down?
Once again, thank you so much for being here, supporting me, showing the good energy every time, and just pushing me to go and take better and better pictures every time. So yeah, I appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you.
Thank you everyone for watching this video. The last few months have been exciting, productive, but also a bit stressful for me. I didn't give myself much time to bring this exhibition to life, but November 13 is a special date for me. It's my mom's birthday and I wanted this exhibition to be a gift to her. We made this exhibition not only to showcase my dedication and effort, but also to inspire you to spend more time in nature. This exhibition is just the beginning and I'm excited to see where this journey will take me. I would like to say thank you to everyone who participated in this project. You guys make this world a better place. Finally, a huge thank you to Carlos. You did an incredible job and once again prove how talented you are. I can't wait to see all the success coming your way in the near future. Once again, thank you all for watching and I hope to see you at my next exhibition. Cheers.